August crisp morning, and from this to this in just 6 hours. Hello everyone, this is Adil Akbar. Thank you very much for coming back to the channel. Let me take you for another amazing trip. We did a fishing trip for 6 hours in Lake Erie with my family, and let's go do it. Alright, I'm here again with James. We did a trip in winters, and this was our trip for the summer. We just came back from our flight yesterday, and here is James. James, what is the plan today?
Today our game plan is try to catch some walleye and then maybe some accidental bass and sheephead and catch some fish.
All right, how do you see the situation? How's the weather and how the fishing conditions?
Weather looks great, and fishing conditions should be pretty good. It might be a little wavy out there, but it should be pretty good.
All right, so we have with us James. Of course, I'm there. Then I have my better half right here. And then I have my eldest son Sajil, and then the youngest Hassan. So we're hoping to have a good day out on the water. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. So this is Grand River. That's where we launched. Your safety is very important whenever you do any activities. So make sure you put on your life vests. We launched this boat from Dunville, which is about 7 miles up in the river. So our initial 7 miles is to get to Lake Erie, and then we'll be going to James' secret spot for fishing. As soon as we came into the lake, our fishing spot was not too far from there. It was just a few miles southeast of that place, and we made it there safe and sound. Lake is a little choppy, but it's all right. The rods are being set up on both sides. We're trolling here. There is a reef in this area, and most of the times we were just trolling around that area, and that's where we got most of the success as well. So what are we using for walleye?
Gonna try worm harnesses for the most part. Worm harness has been working the best lately.
Okay.
And a little bit of body baits too, but worm harness for the most part.
Okay.
And
double hooks?
Yeah,
Triple hooks.
Pretty much triple hooks.
Fishing is a very patient sport, and when you go out fishing, then it's not the catch that matters. It's the whole experience that matters. We started slow, but very soon we started to get the fish biting, and we were able to pull some in. All right, here's the first one. So there's something on the reel. Sajil is pulling it in. Let's hope it's a big one.
Okay, no, I'll keep your...
There's a fish on. Hassan is pulling it in. That's our second one. Hopefully we'll bring it on. Okay, another one on for Hassan. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, so look at Mom. Like that. Like that. So, one. Lots of action. This is the fourth one that we're reeling in. That's Mama's turn. Suji and Hassan. Okay, both hands now. Parallel shot. Hey. Yeah, nice medium size. Good eat. So that's really getting exciting now. Good action. We just caught a fourth walleye, and it's really good. Walleyes are the most tastiest fish in these Great Lakes, and we would love to have dinner with them tonight. Happy? So that's a silver bass. Nice fish, good. Oh, we just lost it. We just lost it. That's okay. We lost some and we got some, but overall the experience has been so brilliant. It is so interesting. Everyone is really loving it. I'm already getting excited. I'm drooling because I love walleyes and they are so delicious. And I could imagine shallow frying them tonight. We had some action and then there was some quiet time, and this is the second round of action. Enjoy this one. Same channel and we'll try again. All the rods are being prepared once more. And go back to the same channel. Yeah, we just lost. It's okay. time to head back to the marina. Overall, successful trip, 8 walleye, 2 silver bass and 1 sheephead. And now it's time to go back, pack up, go back home and eat them fresh. Priceless. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Press the bell icon for future video notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.